folks, now here's a story about Minnie the Moocher. She was a red-hot hoochie coocher. She was the roughest, toughest frail. Minnie had a heart as big as a whale. Ho-dee-ho-dee-ho. Ho-dee-ho-dee-ho. Hi-dee-hi-dee-hi-dee. Hi-dee-hi-dee-hi-dee. Hee-dee-hee-dee-hee. Hee-dee-hee-dee. Ho-dee-ho-dee-ho. Ho-dee-ho-dee-ho. She messed around with a bloke named Smokey. She loved him though he was cokey. He took her down to Chinatown. He showed her how to kick the gong around. Showed her how to kick the gong around. Howdy, 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 howdy. She had a dream about the king of Sweden. He gave her things that she was needing. He gave her a whole built of gold and steel, a diamond car with the platinum wheels. Oh, skip-bop-doot-dot, let it do. Oh, skip-bop-doot-dot, let it do. Skip-bop-nickel-gilly-skip-bop-nickel. Skip-bop-nickel-gilly-skip-bop-nickel. Skip-bop-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Hi-dee-hi-dee-ho. Hi-dee-hi-dee-ho. He gave her his townhouse and his racing horses. Each meal she ate was a dozen courses. She had $1 million worth of nickels and dimes. She sat around and counted them all 1,000,000 times. Dee-ho, dee-ho, dee-ho.